Hello, this is Tim Davis coming to you guys from the Bullish Bears team. And this will be my weekly long-term trade ideas update video. Haven't done one in a minute, been on vacation, I had a lot of things going on. So this one's going to be very quick. I'm going to be making some adjustments on the fly, so just bear with me. All right, I'll start off the day with my closed positions. And I'm going to add one more to this that I actually closed not too long ago. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys this. You guys can go back and review it on your at your leisure if you want to look at some of the details of specific trades. Closed UA, ALK, JBLU, and Comcast. Those are some of my closed positions. And I also closed today COG, and I'll show you guys that one on my active trade list. COG, which is COG, just wasn't. It was taking too long for that to materialize, and I'm closing that trade. Okay, let's go to the next screen. It's going to be pretty quick because I want to get on here and get off because there's some other things we want to use this particular system for today. Okay, this is a more updated one. So I closed UA, ALK, JBLU, Comcast. Also, I closed my bullish position in MRK after a pretty minor small increase or small profit from that one. Okay, now on active trades, still CNTTF, which is some shares that I purchased of marijuana stock many months ago, and I'll continue to hold that for several more years probably. GLD, still bullish on GLD. NEM, also added ABX. I added ABX, and I'll probably update that on the next video, but I'm going to show you guys some of the charts today. COG, I closed this one. So again, COG is one that I closed. Just wasn't acting the way I was expecting it to, and I ended up closing this position for a small loss. But I closed that one on yesterday. So that was closed. Twitter, I opened up a Twitter call option, and this one was entered this one on a few days ago, 2 days ago. Share price eventually was 34.15 with the first time goal of 36.50. Original entry date on this one was 12/11, and I entered the 34.40 call debit spread expiring in June. So we'll monitor that as well. That's a trade. It's a new long-term position entered, and I also added. Let's see, so we go with that one. ABX are added. Okay. And I'll add ABX on the next video so that you guys can see the actual trade that I'm in. Just didn't have time to do that this week. So I wanted to hurry up and do like a rush video just to show you guys some of the action that has been taking place for this past week and a half. All right. Okay, and here's a few bearish positions that I have on. And there's also, let's say there's another bearish position. There's another trade that I'm going to get into today, and I'm going to explain it to you guys in a second. But these are the bearish positions that I am currently trading. And I also added XLF. XLF is a put debit spread that I added this week as well. All right. Those are the bearish trades that I'm in. And we'll go from there. And those are the bullish trades that I'm in. And again, I said I added XLF put debit spread. Oh, and I also added SO put debit spread. There's a lot of action that's going on with some of these put options. I mean, the market's still unstable, so I added a couple more bearish trades just for some protection. And I'll show you guys real quick Twitter. This is my outlook on Twitter. I'll show you guys this current daily chart of Twitter. So I'll pull it up here. This is my current daily chart of Twitter. They're reaching a trend line that I drew. And just reaching above it. You'll probably see some pullback in Twitter this week, but I still think this has some more bullish momentum in this trade. So I'll be in this one for a little while longer. And if we take a look at Trade on Trend Spider, we just had a nice bounce off of the trend line on this daily chart, which is why I still like this particular trade. All right. Next one we'll take a look at is, we can look at another, let's look at a bearish trade that I'm in. SO, Southern Company Energy. I think it's about time for some of these utility stocks to probably back. They've been very strong as lately, but I'm looking for XLE to get rejected here. If it does, that'd be a nice move to the downside. So I'm looking for a rejection there. And let me take a look at SO over here. Okay, just above area of resistance now. It's like we've been trading up and down sideways for a little while once we got beyond this point. So we'll see if we get that pullback that I'm looking for due to the recent strength. FEZ is also, I don't think I showed you guys that one. It's also another bearish trade I'm in. It's showing some strength right now. I'm looking for price to stay below these major moving averages. But it is showing some strength right now, but it is a bearish trade I'm in. And I'm going to try to update some more of this on my next video so you guys can see the actual trade that I'm in again. FEZ. And as you can see, it broke a trend line here on a day back in October. Broke down there, and we have not been able to get back above this trend line. So I am still bearish on this position. Okay, XLF, another bearish position. XLF also broke a trend line here on a daily. So I'll be holding this trade for several months more than likely. XLF is a bearish trade. Okay. XLF. And we're still trading below major moving averages, as you can see here. Okay, next one, XOP. I think XOP is trying to find some footing for possible, I guess, recovery rally of some sort. But it's still trading below major moving averages, which is why I am still in this particular trade. I'm looking for price to break down below $30 in the near future. So I'll probably hold on to this trade for a little while longer. Okay. There you go. Okay, and one last one that I want to show you guys. Let's look at BBY. BBY is still, I'm looking for a price to pull back towards this trend line here for possible breakdown and a possible chance to take some good profits from there. Okay, and I'll just look at ABX, which is movement of gold. And ABX is still looking pretty strong. It wants to pull above this trend line. It may start to see some resistance here, but over the coming months, I'm looking for this probably to break above both of these trend lines. So still bearish. Still bullish. I'm sorry, bullish ABX. And a new one that I'm trying to enter today that I saw that I like. I'm planning on buying shares of this one, ABX. You guys, sorry I'm rushing through this. Wanted to try to get some of this done prior to some other things we got going on with this particular software this morning. And this is one that I ended up running into recently, and I like some of the bullish moves that I see in this particular stock. So I'm going to buy a small amount of shares today, and I'll probably add on as time goes on. But what I saw in the weekly chart is what really caught my eye. It's like we're about to approach some resistance here. However, it's like they formed a nice base down here. A nice base down here after a huge pullback. And like approaching this resistance now. If we can break above this, this is going to be a good move. So I'm going to buy some shares starting today, and I'll probably add to them along the way as long as the pullbacks show some good action and not creating lower lows. So I don't like to see lower lows be created when I'm entering a position. So that's what I mostly look for when it starts to pull back, is those lower lows. Lower lows is not good for a longer term position. NVAX. And as you can see in the daily chart here, kind of like took off the past couple of days. So, all right. That is my outlook for now, you guys. I wanted just to give you guys a quick update. And it may be very quick, but I wanted to update you guys, let you guys know what was going on with some of these long-term trades that I'm into. If you guys like to follow me, please visit our website, www.bullishbears.com. Join one of our join our chat room, trade rooms, for minimum cost. And I mostly spend a lot of my time in the swing trade rooms, and I review some of these trades throughout the week and throughout the month in that area. Okay. All right, you guys. Tim Davis from the Bullish Bears team signing off, and I appreciate you guys again. Again, www.bullishbears.com. And next week, I'll slow down just a little bit, you guys, and give you guys a full-fledged video, and I have all the updates taken care of by that time. All right, talk to you guys. See you guys on the next video.